it is time to bend your text, warp it around, do some different shapes, adjust it, and definitely look at how to turn it into a fish shape. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so to start off with, you need some type. I've got this one here, so this layer here called wall stars. I'm going to start bending that one like you saw at the front. Yeah, all we need to do is, with it layer selected, be on the type tool, and then there's this little option up here. It's this kind of T with the underline underneath it. Click on him, okay, click on it, and nothing happens. Get ready for amazingness. Arcing type. Lower arc type. Okay, it's up to you what you're looking to do with the type. That's kind of getting okay. I'm not hating that. Okay, my favorite is always the fish. Everyone needs fish-shaped text. Once you got the one you want, okay, the style that you like, okay, it's definitely probably fish. Okay, you can play around with these options underneath to decide where it bends, how it bends, okay, and yeah, this kind of, it's more just playing around, okay, and getting the type how you want. I'm going to get it back to regular by hitting cancel. Okay, with it selected, go up to this bending text tool option again and go through and experiment with some of the other ones. Inflate, squeeze. Okay, I don't do it too much, ever. Okay, except for fish. Starts destroying text, and I'm not a big fan of that, but you might have a good use case for it, so there it is. Okay, let's click OK. One last thing to show you is if you've got it and you want to adjust it, say it's like too archy for you, okay, with that layer selected, you can click back on this, and it jumps back into where you were. Okay, you can keep editing it. If you want to get rid of it, go up to here to none. Let's click OK. Alright, that's how to kind of like bend and distort it. Next one we're going to do is, I promised you, text on a path where it kind of follows a circle or any sort of shape. Let's do it in the next video.